Hello children, in this video we are going to learn chapter 9 and the name of the chapter is Healthy Habits. Children, what do you mean by habit? Habit means repetition of some action. The action can be good or bad, but we should always follow good habits in our life to be healthy, right? Now, children, before starting the chapter, let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Eric. He had many friends and he was the favorite of all. But do you know one thing? Eric didn't like to take bath. He didn't like to brush teeth. He never combed his hair properly. So, his mother used to teach him all the time. Dear Eric, you should take bath every day. You should brush your teeth every day. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Otherwise, no one will like you anymore and you will fall sick. But Eric always said, Mama, look at me. I am so cute and cool. I do not need bath at all. But after a few days, do you know what happened? All his friends stopped talking to him. Eric had no more friends now. He was all alone. No one wanted to play with him. So he became very sad. One day Eric woke up with bad smell from his own body. Now he understood that he should listen to his mother. He went to the washroom, brushed his teeth nicely, took a bath, combed his hair properly, and wore neat and clean clothes. Now he was looking very good and smart too. He started looking for his friends to play with him. And he had made many friends. He became healthy and happy. Now, children, I hope you have enjoyed the story. What have we learned from the story? Can you tell me? Yes, we have learned that we should always keep ourselves clean, so that everybody love and like us, isn't it? Now, let's start our chapter. Now, have a look what we are going to learn in this chapter. Topics are: good habits help us to keep fit and healthy. Next, different ways of keeping ourselves clean. Next, exercise and fresh air are good for health. Finally, we will learn some good eating habits. Okay? So let's start. At first, students give me the answer of one question. How are you feel when you are healthy? Yes, we all feel happy. So, when we are happy, we do all our work happily. Like, we can study well, we can play happily with our friends, we can help our mother at home to do some work. So, children, we can stay healthy if we keep ourselves clean. To keep ourselves clean, we have to learn some good habits. Let's talk about some good habits. Get up from bed early in the morning, because we all know early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So students, this is the first good habit which we have to follow every day. Brush your teeth twice daily, once in the morning and once at night, as it keeps the germs away from our mouth. Have a bath daily with soap and water. It also keeps the germ away from our body. Always wear clean and well ironed clothes. If we wear clean and well ironed clothes, we will feel better and we will look smart. Wash your hands before and after every meal. It also helps to keep the germs away from our hands. You must play outdoor games every day with your friends, as outdoor games are good exercises. You should not watch TV for long hours, as it makes your eyes weak. So, keep proper distance from your TV set. You should sleep on time. At the end of the day, we all feel tired. So, students, you need to sleep for at least 8 hours a day. You should do exercises daily by playing games, by cycling, by skipping, by skating, by playing different outdoor games, or by doing different types of yoga. You can make yourselves healthy. You should cut nails with the help of your parents. Long and dirty nails carry germs. Comb your hair after a bath properly. Cover your nose with handkerchief while sneezing and cover your mouth while coughing and yawning. As nowadays we all are wearing masks to cover our mouth and nose, isn't it? So that we can protect ourselves from coronavirus. Poking your nose is a dirty habit. It is a very bad habit. So, kindly do not do it. Oil your hair regularly. It keeps your hair healthy. Now, have a look to some good eating habits. We have learned about these in our previous chapter also, isn't it? Eat freshly prepared food and fresh fruits. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water for proper functioning of our body and 1 to 2 glasses of milk, as milk is a complete food. Eat different kinds of food like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. Now students, that's all for this chapter. Now let's have a quick recall. Good habits help us to keep fit and healthy. We must keep our teeth, body and hair clean. We should exercise or play outdoor games regularly. Always eat freshly prepared food. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water and 1 to 2 glasses of milk every day. Students, I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now go through the chapter once again from your book. Thank you, children. Have a nice day and take care of yourselves.